In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone volume buttons not working or stuck. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple things you can do with system software, or you could also do some things with physical and cleaning fixes. So first, let's talk about the physical and cleaning fixes. Some cases prevent proper full pressing of the buttons. So try to remove the case. Debris or sugary residues can also lock buttons. Apply a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol around the buttons using a Q-tip, then press the button repeatedly to loosen it. Also try gently blow air around the volume switches to remove lint. Frequently clicking the stuck button can help it free. When it comes to your system and software, what you can try to do is a standard power on and off can fix glitches if it's not your buttons. Try to force restart by simply pressing and quickly releasing the volume up and then the volume down, and then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. You could also try to update your system software if you haven't already, and that will go ahead and fix it. If none of those fix it, go ahead and take it to the Apple Store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.